Modern physics is currently blocked by four intractable problems: the arrow of time, baryon asymmetry, a working theory of everything, and the black hole singularity. We have spent a century constructing massive underground machinery to smash matter into smaller fragments, hoping a new particle bridges these gaps. These efforts assume that the measurable, material universe represents the entirety of reality. This materialism creates an observational blind spot. Without a wider baseline, physics will continue to collect data that it cannot resolve. The dual caustic universe, or DCU, addresses this by proposing a dual-layered architecture for reality. The first layer, D10, is the observable deterministic plane. This is the domain of physical structuring and kinetic action. Interacting with it is I9, a hidden wave state imaginal plane. It functions as the potential field, where information is preserved before it manifests. The DCU framework redefines the universe as a dual-layered book. The mysteries of physics result from attempting to measure the paper while ignoring the text. This 12-node circuit is the master equation of the DCU. It follows a 2-3-7 cycle of separation, formation, and return, derived from the light-upon-light model. Applying this circuit resolves baryon asymmetry, why the universe contains matter while its antimatter counterparts remain undetected. Matter and antimatter register the same field on two different planes. Matter is the D10 physical expression, antimatter the I9 wave state counterpart. We perceive an antimatter deficit because we observe exclusively from within the D10 field. The I9 half remains unread. The missing material science is searching for is actually the hidden page of the cosmic book. In the DCU, the fundamental forces of nature are phase changes within this 12-node traversal. Gravity is the traversal toward node 3. Electromagnetism is the oscillation between D10 and I9 fields. Nuclear forces maintain the structural integrity of this split. This movement accounts for the arrow of time. Time is the irreversible asymmetry between a physical state in D10 and its recognition in I9. This delay creates the arrow we experience as history. Forces and time are the thermodynamic friction of a book being read. They require no physical unification because they are already operations of the same circuit. This redefines the black hole singularity. These are traditionally treated as points of infinite density where the laws of physics break down. The DCU maps the singularity as the I9 seed, the exact coordinate where physical D10 mass completes its arc and returns to latency. Singularities are concentrated points of unread information waiting for extraction. The DCU collapses the universe into a closed loop of return. However, a circuit remains inert without a conductor. The 12-node loop requires a localized quantum node to close the feedback system. You are that node. The reader is the execution center, where the physical word meets the hidden spirit. Consciousness provides the necessary current to shift the system from suspended wave into an active particle. Without the reader's participation, the universe remains a dormant ledger. The circuit requires execution to be real. This is the function of the 1912 command: take the book with strength. This protocol provides the structural integrity needed to align the D10 physical state with the I9 hidden potential. It transforms the reader from a passive observer into the active operator of the cosmic circuit. The 12-node loop only functions when the reader executes the topology. 1912 is the instruction to move beyond observing the map and begin walking it. The circuit is complete and the information is present. When will you activate 1912?